Listen carefully. Stop scrolling, stop looking for shortcuts, and stop making excuses. Life owes you nothing. You sit there dreaming big. But do you even have the courage to work for it? You say you're tired? Good. That's the signal that you're pushing your limits. But you give up the moment it gets uncomfortable. That's why you're stuck. You want success, but you waste time waiting for motivation to knock on your door. Newsflash. It's not coming. Motivation is a lie. It's a fleeting emotion like happiness or sadness. What you need is discipline, that cold, unyielding force that says, I don't care how I feel. I will show up anyway. Do you think the world cares about your excuses? It doesn't. Life isn't fair, and it never will be. There's no magical moment where everything aligns. You think you deserve success just because you want it? No. You deserve what you work for. Every time you skip effort for comfort, remember this. Someone, somewhere, is grinding harder than you. Someone is sacrificing sleep, leisure, and comfort to get what you claim you want. The truth is, they'll get there, and you'll sit back, bitter, and call it luck. But deep down, you'll know the truth. You didn't have the guts. Do you want to live your life regretting missed chances? Imagine being 80 years old, looking back and realizing you wasted decades. Time is ticking, and you are burning it away. Every minute spent procrastinating is a minute stolen from your future. Engrave these words in your soul. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is going to hand you the life you want. You must build it, brick by brick, day by day. So cry if you need to. Scream, but don't stop. Use that pain. Let it remind you of what happens when you don't act. Make a promise to yourself right now. I will not give up. I will outwork, outlast, and outlive every excuse that tries to stop me. Your motivation will fade. Your energy will run out. But remember this moment. Remember the fire burning inside you right now. And when it gets hard, and it will, ask yourself one question. Am I going to be the person who quits or the one who fights through? Your life is your responsibility. Wake up. Stop dreaming. Start doing. And never, ever stop. Do you feel that heaviness in your chest right now? That's your future self screaming at you, begging you to act before it's too late. Every excuse you make is a betrayal. Every time you quit, you're digging your own grave of regret. You think you'll have time later, you won't. Time is merciless. It doesn't pause, it doesn't rewind, and it doesn't forgive. While you hesitate, your opportunities rot, your potential withers, and your dreams decay. This is your moment. Right now. Not tomorrow, not someday. Someday is a lie. Someday is where cowards live, where failure breeds. You are either moving forward or you are falling behind. There is no in between.